Salamun alaikum. What is the silent consent of last prophet? Salamun alayhi, or what is hadith taqriri?
سلام عليكم طبتم مباركة طيبة ربي أعوذ بك من همسات الشياطين وأعوذ بك ربي أن يحضرون بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Dear audience and my dear brothers and sisters, there is a question, and question is, what is called al-hadith al-taqriri? What is the silent approval or silent consent of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi? That is also a very important question for us, because many so-called Islamic scholars, they are following the present so-called conventional hadith, and they are speaking this like there are Sallallahu alayhi al-hadith al-qawli, al-hadith al-taqriri. Hadith al-qawli, that means word of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi, speech of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi. Hadith al-fi'li, action of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi. Hadith al-taqriri, that means silent consent. Or brothers and sisters, if you go through the details of the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah Almighty has declared the Quran as a full of explanation. Quran is an open book, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned first verse of the surah Hijr, surah number 15, verse number 1, Quran is mubin. There is no any scope to make something hidden regarding Islam in the name of Islam. That is absolutely wrong. So Salamullah Muhammad did not do this like you do this and you don't do this, and he silently approved, or that work was done by his silent consent. That is not the true speech, true statement, because Islam is very much open. Islamic law, Islamic rules and regulations completely open, because Allah Almighty has named the Holy Quran Mubin, and you will get more than 62 times in the Holy Quran Allah has called the Holy Quran Mubin. And you will get it Surah Yasin, Surah number 36, verse number 69. In huwa illa dhikrun wa Quran mubin. In huwa illa dhikrun wa Quran mubin. Quran is nothing but it is a complete admonition, complete law. Quran is not a single book, but Quran is a full of law. Quran is full of constitution. And Quran is an open book, manifest book for each and everything. But how come they are saying this like the silent concept of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi? There is also hadith taqriri. Taqriri has no any place. Silent has no any place in Islam. Because when Allah Almighty commanded Muhammad sallallahu alaihi to do all the commandments, that is very much clear for him and for us. And if you read out the Holy Quran with full of attention, with full of understanding, with full of realization, then you can understand this issue very, very well. Just you think about it. Allah has presented in the Holy Quran, يَسْأَلُونَكَ مَاذَا أُحِلَّ لَكُمْ. The people will come to you and they will ask you concerning what is legal, regarding food, regarding eating. What is legal? And you say, وَحِلَّ لَكُمُ الطَّيِّبَاتِ. Allah Almighty has been legalized all the sacred items or the holiest items. Tayyibat, very clean and sacred item of food. But if you believe this lie, someone did something in front of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi did not say anything else, but he was silent. Salamullah Muhammad did not forbid or did not make pure or did not legalize. So many so-called jurisprudents and scholars, they are saying that is also hadith and it is called silent consent of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam or hadith al-taqriri. That is not the right statement, and silent consent is not the part of Islam, because Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he followed completely the Quranic verses, because Allah has ordered Muhammad, وَاتَّبِ مَا يُوحَى إِلَيْكَ. You just follow what is revealed, what has been revealed to you. A revealed thing, that means Quran. So what he seemed, what he thought, what he supposed, that is not the Islamic way, Islamic sayings, Islamic doings, Islamic rules and regulations. But Islamic law and rules of regulations of the Holy Quran is very much clear, and very, very clear. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in the name of the Quran, Mubin. And ayah, when Allah used the word ayah, and Allah used the word bayyanat. لَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكُمْ آيَاتِ بَيَّنَاتٍ آيَاتِ بَيَّنَاتٍ. I myself have revealed to you the verses were clear verses, many verses. So my dear brothers and sisters, al-hadith al-taqriri is not the part of Islam, and this terminology, this term is not in Islam. But Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam followed and externalized and accomplished all the laws, rules, regulations of the Holy Quran. That is very, very clear, very much open, very much manifest. Salamun alaikum, tibt mubarakatan tayyiba.